In this video, we'll learn how to configure a basic SQL data source in the DS Manager. To create and configure a data source connection, go to the DS Manager under Data Acquisition, click the plus icon to add a new connection. From the list under Microsoft, select SQL, and then click Next. Enter a name for your project. Choose between local servers and network servers. For this demo, select local servers and enter the server name. Click Get Database List and choose a database from the dropdown. Click Test Connection to verify the connection. Once the test is successful, click Save, and in the pop-up, click OK to confirm the connection. The connection is now visible in this section. Click the Add Data Source button. Click on Browse/Add Tags. Select the required table and click on Get Columns. Choose the columns needed for your configuration, and then click on Add Selected Tags. If your data includes time columns, assign the correct date format from the Date Format drop-down menu. Also, set one of these columns as the Sort C column using the Type drop-down menu. Both steps are mandatory. Once you've completed the tag configuration, click on Next. In the Basic Configuration section, under Table Configuration, you can modify the table type, collection name, and start date and time. You can also adjust the polling or reading interval. Once the basic configuration is complete, click Next. In the next sections, you can configure analytics, namespace, data transformation rules, and write-back settings. However, for this video, we'll skip these steps and move to the configuration summary by clicking on Next. Review the summary, and then click on Save/Update Configuration. The data source has now been configured.